What is good, Savage Squad, Savage Gang? It is your boy Savage King, and I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. I don't usually talk in videos. If you guys don't really know how my face looks, just you'll probably see it one day because I'm gonna make a video except for gaming. I'm not gonna only be making gaming videos. I just starting off with gaming videos with my account. So go follow my boy's account. I forgot. What's your YouTube account, bro? Super Funny Boys. Go follow that account. Follow me on Musically, Savage King the Rapper. Instagram, because I'm a rapper, Savage King the Rapper. Snapchat, Savage King. Flipagram, Savage King. House Party, Savage King. No, House Party is Savage King is lit. That's it.
I might make a part 2. So make sure that I watch this video instead of
Okay, guys, I got the hoverboard. People, this is a hoverboard, just to let everybody know that don't think this is a hoverboard. Once people get words wrong, what this is.
Make a part 2 if I at least get
Oh my gosh.
40 views and 40 likes on the first video.
At least get me up to 100 likes, please.
If I get that second video,
Anyway, if you guys want the screen recorded app, it's gonna say it in the description. So look below.
At least 100 views.
The subscription thing.
At least 100 likes. So it will not take this long. So right now I'm just gonna end this and I'm gonna make part 2 tomorrow. Thank you for watching.
My bro just ended his YouTube video. Bro, upload yours, okay? He has the same app as me. Oh, why would I just do that? Hey, I got a box. Hey, no, I need to double up. I'm gonna double up to see if I get the same thing. I got 1,000 coins. Hold on, let me double up. Yo, hold on. No, don't double up. Don't double up. No. Oh, I got 2,000 coins. Hey. Okay, how many coins do I have? 271 coins. Okay, now I'm gonna play again. Cause I died. I don't know what I was thinking, bro. I just did that YouTube video. Yo, man, like. Oh, a box. If you could zoom in on this camera app. And anyway, guys, we're gonna start doing intros probably next month. So make sure you stay tuned. My bro's gonna be probably doing intros. We don't know when it's gonna start. I can't believe it didn't say I had keys the last time, but now it's trying to say I have keys. Like, that doesn't make no sense. Like, people be hating on phones. Talking to me. Dang it. If I double up, I'm gonna get another tricky hat. I don't really care about these tricky hats. 144. Like, technically 145. Oh my god! That's because I probably just downloaded it. Yo, mama. I'm not really talking like that, I know. Hey, got a hoverboard. Let's get it. Oh, it's 2 in the morning. It's supposed to be 2 in the morning. Fucking 1:61. It's 2 in the morning. Okay, guys, I'll upload another video tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn your notification buttons on, like all my videos. They put something nice in the comments. We're gonna do shoutouts, and you get slime or putty, and you could choose, or Play-Doh. So keep tuned for the intro and try to remind me in the comments. Bye.